Our video got 1.6 million views on Instagram, but it only got 1,400 views on YouTube. But this video got 17.9 thousand views on TikTok, but it only got 78 views on Facebook. So what I'm saying is that when a video doesn't perform well on one social media platform, that doesn't mean you should write off that video. You should go ahead and try re-upload it on all these other social media platforms, and unless it performs crappily on all four, then you can really confidently say, hey, this video wasn't that good. Now I do agree, if a video is good, it's going to perform well no matter which platform you upload it on. Nonetheless, you should be uploading every video you make to at least these 4 platforms: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, because you spend 30 minutes filming the videos and another 30 minutes to edit and put it together, and all it takes is 5 minutes to upload it on one platform, and then you can literally just re-upload it on these other platforms, probably taking you another 2 minutes per platform, so another 5-10 minutes, and with an extra 5 to 10 minutes you've 4x your output, as well as you roll the dice and have it potentially go viral on those other 3 when it didn't go viral on, let's say, TikTok. Every single video you make, upload on at least these 4 platforms. Furthermore, I'd also really recommend you to use an Excel sheet to track it all. So you want to put in the video that you got inspiration from. Second column, you want to put in how many views that video has gotten, as well as put a link to that viral video. You want to use that as like inspiration and go ahead and script your own version for your own product/offer. Then you want to upload it to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, putting in the links for each one of those platforms so you can easily access it. And then you want to go ahead and track the amount of views you've gotten from each platform. Then on the last column, you want to create a formula that adds up all the views from these 4 different platforms to then give you a final total. In this case, it's 2,692. So rather than just relying on the amount of views you've gotten from that video on TikTok, upload it on all 4 social media platforms, combine the views together, and this would be a much more accurate data point on how well that video performed. Rinse and repeat this with all your uploads, and now you'll be able to accurately compare which ideas, which videos, which angles perform the best across all 4 platforms, because now the data is just going to be way more accurate, and that's how you get the most amount of reach possible for every clip you produce.